these orders right here are our last chance to flatten our curve here in a third wave before we will have to revert back to more stringent public health restrictions.
It may not be the reality we want, but it is the reality we have. And right now, our reality should exist as much as possible in our homes as new public health orders do come into place to try to avert a disastrous third wave here in Manitoba.
The indicators in Manitoba flashing warning.
Our cases are rising. Our test positivity numbers are rising. Hospitalization numbers are beginning to go back up.
The Premier saying it is time we all accept that things are indeed changing and for the worse.
COVID ultimately knows no boundaries. We must act swiftly to protect Manitobans, and we must act swiftly to protect our healthcare system.
As a result, as of 12:01 a.m. tomorrow morning, households may only have 2 designated visitors, outdoor gatherings capped at 10. That includes those in your household. Faith-based gatherings reduced to 25% or 50 people max. Weddings and funerals back to a maximum of 10, plus an officiant and photographer. These moves designed to reduce contacts as much as possible.
We've seen clusters linked to large funerals and other gatherings. We're seeing more cases linked to long-term care homes and schools. And we've seen at least one cluster linked to spring break travel.
Business also set to see some change. As of Wednesday at 12:01 a.m., retail will be limited to 33% of capacity or 333 patrons max.
So we put these orders in now because we see the increasing trends. We see what's happening in other jurisdictions. I think this is a very measured approach to where we are.
Manitoba also expanding the eligibility Monday for the AstraZeneca vaccine, lowering it to 40 plus. Welcome news for hundreds that rush to book their appointment.
Just knowing that something will happen that is a positive thing, that it might open doors to greater freedoms down the road. It was just a real feeling of relief. I was literally sitting here with like tears in my eyes.
And many more Manitobans now feeling that same way, as about 1 in 4 eligible adults have now received at least 1 dose, while the general age eligibility dropped again. 54 plus and First Nation individuals 34 plus can now receive their vaccine. In Winnipeg, Jonas Gilbart, City News.